While Gemini 3 is not the first multimodal AI module available, its ability to turn image templates into code is impressive. Simply provide the image you want with precise dimensions and watch it turn your vision into a fully functional web page. Take this page for example. It's been custom designed and I want to turn it into a web page. Firstly, I will upload the file to Gemini 3. Now here I'm at gemini.google. I've uploaded my image, and then make sure that you are on Gemini 3. This is gemini.google. Now we want to upload our prompt, and here I've pasted in the prompt that I created earlier. Now to make the prompt, all I simply did was write down the dimensions of the image. So for example, this whole thing on a desktop should not be more than 1200 pixels in width, and I stated that along with the other dimensions. Now make sure you also select the canvas before you run this prompt, and off I send it there, and now it starts to run. I will leave a copy of this prompt in the description so you can take a closer look at it. But really it's something that any designer would be familiar with. Now here already you can see Gemini 3 creating the code for us, and here you can see the CSS code, and because we have put it on canvas, we will be able to get a preview of this within Gemini 3. But I will also take a copy of it into Google Chrome. Now here we are, it's already come up, and you can see I'm in the preview. You can see the image is actually missing there because it's using a placeholder. But once I take this into, I'm going to download the code, and then we'll be able to put in the placeholder there. So here's the page. You can see it looks very similar. Now here I have opened the page up in Chrome. I downloaded the code. You can see the URL there that this is now in a browser, and the outline looks pretty good. Notice that the Gemini image in the center is now showing because I have reinserted it. And now let's go to inspect. Right click, click on inspect, and many of you will know this as developers. You can now take a preview of what this would look like on a mobile. Now let's come down and select another one. Let's take, in this case, the iPhone 12 Pro, and you can see what it looks like here, scrolling up and down. So this page is fully responsive, and this was all built from our custom template, not just asking it to generate something randomly, but something that we had already designed. Here we are again inside the browser, and let's take a look at the source code now. So right click again, view page source, and here you can see the CSS. Now what I will do is I will keep the CSS separately so that I can now ask it to generate different pages with the same piece of CSS. So there you are, Gemini 3 creating custom made templates from your design. You don't even need any MCP servers anymore. So if you have liked this, please like and subscribe, and see you again in another video. Thank you.